Hey y'all, we are back with another video, and today I am doing a quick weave on myself using my hair. You can purchase your hair, link in my description below. And we're gonna start. I already braided down. My braids are real big, you know, it's a quick weave. We're just trying to get in and out. So I put on my cap, I sewed it down around the perimeter, and I'm spraying spritz all around it. And I do this 2 times, so I have 2 caps on, okay? And then after I spray it all the way down, I go sit under the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And now I'm cutting it off, and then we are going to start gluing the tracks down.
Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I don't feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing, but I don't want you. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Alright, and after I finish gluing all my tracks in, I go in and press out my leave out and my edges, and then I go in and style. So today I did like a beach wave. I wanted like a loose curl, and then I did a few layers.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby, it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Alright, and the last step is just doing my baby hairs and then doing a little finishing touches. And y'all, that is how you do a quick weave. It's really quick, really simple, really easy. Thank you guys for watching my video. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys next week.